Hello, friends. Good morning. How are you all? I'm fine. So, student, today we are learn for chapter number 15 for subject environment. So, first of all, open your textbook for environment and page number 99. Fun with clay. देखो यहाँ पे आपको एक पिक्चर्स दिख रहा है यस और उसमें मैन एंड वुमेन दोनों कुछ काम कर रहे हैं। वो क्या है पता है? मिट्टी के बर्तन बना रहे हैं। देखो मैन है वो मिट्टी के बर्तन बना रहे हैं और जो वुमेन है वो मिट्टी के बर्तन के ऊपर डिज़ाइंस कर रहे हैं। दिखाई दे रहा है? यस। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट for read this chapter. Okay, so first of all, finger raise on first line. Once there was a kothimbu. Once there was a kothimbu, one fruit. It was running fence by fins. There come one crow. By seeing it, crow wanted to eat the kothimbu. Crow had opened its beak to eat kothimbu. It said, Bapu, you can not eat me by dirty beak. First find some water and wash it. Crow went near the well to wash its beak. It said to the well. Well said, if you want water, go to the potter and bring a pot, then fetch water. Crow flew away to the potter and said. उसके ऊपर देखो क्या लिखा है? Well, well, oh well. Here comes a crow. Give me water to wash my beak so that I can eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Okay. Now next page, page number 100. Now first, potter, potter, oh potter. Here comes a crow. Give me a pot to fetch water to wash my beak to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Potter said, bring some clay so that I can make a pot. So crow went to timber heap of soil. Okay, उसके नीचे है timber, timber, oh timber. Here comes a crow. Give me clay to give to the potter to make a pot to fetch water to wash my beak to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. Okay, उसके नीचे है timber said, take home of a deer who said no to you. Crow flew away to deer and said. उसके नीचे है dear, dear, oh dear. Here comes a crow. Give me a horn to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. उसके नीचे डियर जवाब दे रहा है. डियर सेड, you come to me and take my horn. Go and ask the dog, it will kill me. Crow went to dog and said, dog, dog, oh dog, here comes a crow to scare the deer, so I can take its horn and dig soil, to give to the potter to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu. It's yummy, yummy. उसके नीचे है dog said, oh भाई, I am too hungry. Bring milk of crow so that I can drink. eat and scare the deer. The crow went to the cow and said, next page. Cow, cow, oh cow, here comes a crow, give me milk to give to the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu, it's yummy, yummy. उसके नीचे है cow said, I am very hungry, give me grass and feed me, then take my milk. Then crow went to bring grass from field and said, उसके नीचे है failed, failed, oh fail, here comes a crow, give me grasses to give to the crow, to give to the cow, to fetch milk from it, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my pig, to eat kothimbu, it's yummy, yummy. Fail says, fail बोलता है, ओ भाई, bring sickle from blacksmith and cut the grass. Crow went to blacksmith and said, blacksmith, blacksmith, oh blacksmith, here comes a crow, give me sickle to cut grass, to give to the cow, to fetch milk, to drink the dog, to scare the deer, to get horn, to dig soil, to give to the potter, to make a pot, to fetch water, to wash my beak, to eat kothimbu, it's yummy, yummy. Blacksmith जवाब देता है, take this sickle. Crow took a sickle and went to the field. It took some grass and fed the cow, then took her milk and gave to the dog to drink. The dog ran to scare the deer, so it gave a horn. With that horn the cow dug the soil and gave it to the potter. The potter made a pot, then crow and fetches water and washed it big and eat kothimbu. देखो, एक कोथिम्बू का फ्रूट है, उसके लिए काऊ ने कितनी सारी मेहनत की, उसके बाद उसको कोथिम्बू खाने को मिला. नेक्स्ट पेज है 102. उसके नीचे देखो, बाउल फॉर अ बॉल ऑफ क्ले बनाने का है. इसमें आपको ये पिक्चर दिया गया है. वो कैसे बनाने का है वो आपको दिखाया है, ठीक है ना. Knead clay and make a big ball. Using your thumb, make a small pit in the center by pressing so that it looks like a bowl. Leave it to dry and then decorate it. You can put things you like in this bowl. एक मिट्टी का बॉल लेना है, उसके बीच उसको अच्छे से बॉल बना के बीच में ही अपने थंब यानी हमारी जो उंगलियां होती है उसमें थंब होता है ना, उसको थंब के मदद से बीच में ही उसको होल करना है और साइड में से उसको बाउल का शेप देना है. फिर उसको सूखने के लिए रख देना है. फिर वो सूख जाए उसके बाद उसमें डेकोरेट करके आप बाउल यूज़ कर सकते हो, ठीक है. उसके पीछे वाले पेज में है 103 वाले पेज में देखो, यहाँ पे भी अ बाउल फ्रॉम अ रोल ऑफ क्ले. रोल करके रोल वाले जो बाउल आते हैं ना वो करना है. Knead some clay with water. Keep aside some clay mixed with water. This will serve as glue to bind two different pieces of kneaded clay. Take a part of the kneaded clay and roll it like a thick chapati. This will be the base of the bowl. Roll the rest of the kneaded clay like a snake. Fix the snake-shaped clay on the base to make a pot as shown in the picture. Okay. Now next पेज में है, नेक्स्ट पेज में कुछ क्वेश्चन है, वो हम लोग नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करेंगे. आज के आपका होमवर्क है ये सिर्फ चैप्टर रीड करना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम लोग कुछ एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. तब तक स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. बाय.